Hey there, today we're going to look at how to fix the Treadmill E6 error code. So let's get started. First, turn the treadmill power switch on and make sure the lights come on and the upper control board responds. After that, wait for about 6 to 10 seconds and you'll see E7 displayed on the screen. Then you'll notice the treadmill doesn't return to its original 0-degree incline position. Over here, press the Start button to begin a workout session. After that, use the Incline Plus or Incline buttons to adjust the treadmill's incline. Then, after about 6 to 10 seconds, E6 will appear on the display. Over here, check the incline signal by looking at the LEDs on the circuit board. The up LED should light up when the incline goes up and the down LED when it goes down. Then inspect the wiring connections between the upper console and the lower treadmill section. After that, make sure the power cord connected to the incline motor is properly attached. Then check the incline motor power cord and its terminal connections carefully. Over here, if the incline board's track is broken, replace the entire incline board. Then, if the incline motor is damaged, replace it with a new one. After that, check the J3 connector on the incline board for any loose connections. Then, examine the J2 connector on the incline board to ensure it's properly seated. Over here, if the treadmill stops at the highest or lowest incline position, that indicates a problem. After that, use a multimeter to test the VR voltage regulator or variable resistor. Finally, to return the treadmill to its original position, press the Stop button and then use the incline buttons in engine mode. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.